Hi, in this video you will learn how to calculate tensile strength and shear strength of a bolt using numerical calculations using Python code. This is the two plates which is connected together by a bolt. This is the tensile load and the force is 17,000 Newton. Diameter of the bolt is 8 mm. Yield strength is 350 MPa. Shear strength is 290 MPa. And the tensile stress formula is force by area, that is 338.3 Newton per mm square, and the factor of safety is yield stress by tensile stress, that is 1.03. We will execute these calculations using Python. Here open Python IDLE. Create a new file. This is a scripting mode. First we will save this file as Bolt Strength Calculations. Here Bolt Strength Calculations.py. First import a library, math library. Import math as m. And d is the diameter of the bolt. Int is the integer and input is the input from the user. Enter the diameter of the bolt. And F. Oh, typo error. Int input. Enter the applied force. And the next is yield strength, YS. This is the yield strength of your material. SS means shear strength of the material. X equal to m dot py means we are taking the pi value from the math. And the area is given by pi. X means pi into x into power. Power means power. D comma 2 means d square by 4. Cross sectional area of the bolt. Now tensile stress is equal to force by area. Factor of safety is equal to yield strength divided by this tensile stress. Now print this value. Print tensile strength of the bolt. Print factor of safety. Factor of safety of bolt under tensile. Now we will execute this. Diameter of the bolt is 8. Enter the applied force 17,000. Yield strength 350. Shear strength 290. See, tensile strength of the bolt is 338.2 and the factor of safety is 1.03. Tensile stress is 338.8 and factor of safety is 1.03. Now we will look at the shear strength. This is single shear strength. We have two plates here, right? If we keep a bolt here, when we pull together, the bolt is fractured into two pieces. That is a single shear. One shear is this side and one shear is this side. This is the shear strength bolt calculations. So force is 1700, yield strength, and shear stress. This is shear stress force by area and factor of safety. And the factor of safety is 0.85. We will execute this thing in the Python code. Single shear stress. Hash is a command line. It never executes. Single shear stress. We will copy this. Is equal to F by area. Factor of safety of single shear stress is equal to SS divided by single shear stress. Now print this value to the user. Print single shear strength of bolt. And print factor of safety of bolt under single shear. Type error FOS1. Now we will execute this thing. Okay. Diameter of the bolt 8. Applied force. See, single shear strength of the bolt is 338.2 and the factor of safety is 0.85. Factor of safety is 0.85. Now we will go for double shear strength. Now we have three flanges here, 1, 2, 3, and see, when it is failing in shear strength, it breaks into three pieces, 1, 2, and 3. This is called a double shear strength. We will execute this thing in the Python code. F divided by 2 into A. Factor of safety of double shear strength is equal by stresses divided by double shear stress. Print this to the user. Double shear stress of bolt is factor of safety of bolt under double shear load is now we will run this command. Diameter of the bolt is 8 mm and the applied force is 17,000 Newton and the yield strength of the material is 350 megapascal and the shear strength of the material is 290 megapascal. See, tensile strength of the bolt is 338, factor of safety is 1.0, single shear strength 338, factor of safety 0.85, double shear strength 169 and the factor of safety under double shear load is 1.71. See, double shear load is 169.1 and the factor of safety is 1.21. The factor of safety is 1.71. In this way we can write a code in the Python scripting. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like my channel. Please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel.